cheap seeds at Dollar Tree and my Dollar Tree haul. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden. Here we talk about gardening, ways to save money and other special events. So today we're going to talk about cheap seeds. We have some seeds here. I stopped by Dollar Tree and we have some seeds here. The seeds are 25 cents each right now. So you get 4 of them for $1. And just wanted to show you guys what they have here in terms of seeds. They have a huge variety of seeds, and they are seeds from this year. So they are showing, most of them are showing 2018 and 2019. So they are cheap seeds, 25 cents for the seeds, and you can plant them right now, or you can in a greenhouse, or if you're in a warm climate, you can plant them right now. But these are some cheap seeds that you can get definitely for your garden if you intend to start nursing, doing seed starting and stuff like that right now. So there are quite a few of them. I was looking for a particular seeds that I didn't have, and I said let me stop by Dollar Tree and see what they have, and fortunately enough I found a couple of them. So there are quite a few that I'm gonna get over here. So they also have like flower seeds, herb seeds, and other vegetable seeds that you can definitely buy and plant, and it should be fine. It should come out. Let me know in the comment below if you've ever used this, or if you have any questions or any ideas or any ways you can get cheaper seeds. What I usually do is I usually save my seeds, but I wasn't able to save seeds for a couple of items, so that's why I'm trying to get seeds now. But you can definitely get seeds like these and plant it, or you can save seeds yourself. I have a couple of other videos that show you how to save seeds so that you can use them the next year. You don't have to buy seeds. So the definitely cheaper way of doing it is saving your own seeds. But if you're in a situation like I am right now, where I don't have any seeds or don't have enough seeds for a particular item, then you want to look for the cheapest way to get those seeds for the gardening season. So this is what I got from the Dollar Tree. Got a ton of things that I'm gonna use this year and some next year. So I'm gonna plant them, and hopefully I'll show you guys when it starts growing. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thank you and have a fabulous day.